Welcome back to the final section of this video course. In this section, we'll look at a few success stories of organizations when it comes to Scrum implementations. Scrum is very popular in the software industry. But what you will see in this section is that software is not the only industry where Scrum has prospered. Let's go ahead and look at the first organization that we have. Over the years, I've heard some great stories about success with Scrum. But one of the crucial stories that I've heard is about Salesforce.com. Salesforce, with their transformation programs over the years, have come up with their own adaptive delivery model, or ADM. This methodology has Scrum at its core and is coupled with various other XP practices and principles and lean principles to drive the entire value stream. Over the years, they have seen a very rapid growth in their business with regards to implementation of Scrum and this entire process. The organization is focused towards delivery with every sprint, and every new hire who joins the company goes through a 2-day training process to understand this entire delivery model. Now, Scrum has been very popular with software organizations. But here's an example for you from the hardware world. Wikispeed. It's a 100 mpg car that is built with open source design, it's modular, it's built without any special equipment, and it's built by volunteers. And the heart of it, Scrum. Scrum is at the core of building this vehicle. Wikispeed has been showcased at various different exhibits, and you can find more details on wikispeed.org. So we have seen software organizations implement Scrum. We have seen hardware organizations implement Scrum. And Scrum is a framework to address complex products. And what can be more complex than the government? The San Jose Office of Civic Innovation and Digital Strategy. That's one of the organization bodies that has adopted Scrum. And they have been delivering their projects with this strategy. According to them, this is the single best and compelling practice that they have adopted over the years that has helped them prioritize their work. With the government, everything is a crisis. And when you're in a crisis situation, how do you prioritize the most important items to be done first? And that's where Scrum framework helps them. So yeah, Scrum has its origins with software. But over the years, Scrum has been applied successfully in various different kinds of organizations, from hardware till government organizations. And these success stories is what motivates me to apply Scrum with my complex work. Hopefully this has been helpful to you as well.